Okay, saka si Mami Lily, thank you po for the opportunity. Saka siyempre yung mentors po namin na nakakonect po kami sa kanya ng the last 18 years. Lahat po ng alam ko galing sa kanya. No, ginamit siya ng Panginoon at dinownload niya po yun sa amin. Nagbago ang aming pamilya. Alam niyo, gusto ko po sa G12 vision, hindi po yun
questions sa sarili. Ano ba talaga ang pagpapastor? Paano ba talaga gagawin itong pagpapastor nito?
Okay, nasaan po? Tumayo po ang mga taga-GHFI Las Palmas! Where are you, GHFI Finland? GHFI Las Rosas! Tumayo ang mga taga-GHFI Las Vegas! COJ Ibiza! Nasaan ang mga taga-CICC Barcelona? Mga PCCF Germany! How about Living Word Silverdale? And of course, tumayo ang mga taga-GHFI Madrid! Okay, so as we start this second day of our conference, let us all stand and let us declare the 5 confessions of the blood of
We open cell groups and prayer. Let faithfulness keep our church spiritual and water during the very difficult seasons. When the church finally opened, we clearly saw God's hand moving. We began holding 4 services to welcome everyone God was bringing to the church. The growth did not stop there. Many people were discipled, and we started planting cell groups.
From there, the ministry grew stronger. Together with Bishop Ronald, the vision expanded and began reaching new communities, touching more lives with the message of Jesus Christ. The journey then led to another place.
GHFI Barcelona. There, God had already prepared Pastor Randy and Pastor Mahendra. From Barcelona, the vision expanded further to another church.
GHFI Finland, led by Pastor Jerry and Pastor May, who faithfully embraced the calling and continued the work of preaching songs and raising disciples in new community. Through their leadership, the ministry continued to grow and soon reached another place.
GHFI Las Rosas. In this new chapter, Pastor Julio and Pastor Amelina faithfully accepted the responsibility of leading the church. With humility and dedication, they guided the congregation and helped many to come and raise disciples across Spain.